So in this part of the scheduling process, by now you should have already created your new SMS. You should have added the extra sections that you need. And now we're going to show you, now that you have those sections, we're going to show you how to go ahead and move kids into those sections that you just created. So to do that, obviously we need to make sure first kids are tagged. So when you go into demographics, you want to make sure that user 11 has a code tag in it, either H for hybrid or V for virtual. If you only have your virtual kids, that's okay. That's really what you need for this process. So knowing that all my kids are tagged virtual already, I'm going to run a query. It's going to be a keep query, so I'm just going to type in keep Stu if U11 equals V. So I'm going to tell Aries I want them to keep all the students that are tagged virtual in user number 11, and I'm going to run. Okay. So doing that, it says that we will be skipping records. Okay. So I'm going to now go into the SMS I've created, open my SMS board. Now this is the tedious part. What you need to do is you need to go to one of the original sections that the teacher has that has students in that section and hit list Stus. So what it's going to do is pull a list, but because we're skipping anybody but the virtual kids, we're going to get a report that only has the virtual. So she has 11 total in the class, but 3 are choosing virtual. And I'm going to go ahead and print that list so I have a physical hard copy. Once all of those are created, or you can do it teacher by teacher, whatever your preference is, you're going to go back to the scheduling process. From here, we want the scheduling master, the one right above the SMS board. Okay, now that we're in the scheduling master, it looks just like what you're probably used to using, which is master schedule, only the scheduling master is in the SMS, so we're not messing with student courses right now. I'm going to go ahead and pull up a section that needs to be changed. So I'm pulling the original section that has students in it from this semester. I have the list here. I'm going to highlight just my virtual kids. So based on that list I printed, I'm just checking the kids who are virtual only. Almost done. Then over here in the new section, based on the sections I created, I've already tagged them. We did that already in our SMS. I'm going to type in the new section and move tagged kids only. Yes, I want to move them. So they just disappeared. And since I'm already in here, I'm going to go ahead and move that second half of my alphabet into the other section. I'm doing 3 sections, so if you're doing 3, this would be the process. If you're doing 2, you could just either move the virtual kids or the second half of the alpha, however your school decided to do this. Once they're tagged, that's it. These are the only kids left in that first half of the alpha for me. If I go verify, this is my section for my second half of the alphabet, or my Thursday, Friday group. And I can go ahead and verify. These are the students that match my list. So 13 is what I had on my list, and these are the kids who are virtual only. That's it. Keep going for every single teacher, every single section.